Hey viewers, welcome back to RETHEW Tech. Today, we're diving into Microsoft Copilot, the new AI-powered assistant designed to transform the way you work with Microsoft's suite of tools. Microsoft Copilot is an advanced AI assistant integrated into Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. Powered by OpenAI's GPT-4, Copilot enhances productivity by helping you create, edit, and manage documents and data more efficiently. It's like having a personal assistant who knows all the ins and outs of Microsoft Office. With Copilot in Word, you can draft documents from scratch with just a few prompts. Simply tell Copilot what you need, and it will generate text, suggest improvements, and even rephrase sentences to improve clarity and engagement. Excel users rejoice. Copilot can help analyze data, create complex formulas, and generate insights with just a few clicks. Whether you need to create charts or uncover trends, Copilot makes data analysis more intuitive and accessible. Creating stunning presentations has never been easier. Copilot can suggest design ideas, assist in structuring your slides, and even generate speaker notes to help you deliver impactful presentations with confidence. Managing emails is a breeze with Copilot in Outlook. It can draft responses, summarize long email threads, and prioritize your inbox, allowing you to focus on the most important messages. In Teams, Copilot helps facilitate meetings by summarizing discussions, highlighting key points, and suggesting action items. It ensures everyone stays on the same page and keeps the workflow seamless. So, why should you consider using Microsoft Copilot? Here are some of the key benefits. Increased productivity. Automate mundane tasks and focus on high-impact work. Enhanced creativity. Use AI suggestions to explore new ideas and perspectives. Time savings. Reduce the time spent on document creation and data analysis. Improved accuracy. Leverage AI to minimize errors and improve document quality. Microsoft Copilot is revolutionizing the way we work, making everyday tasks more manageable and efficient. Whether you're a student, professional, or business owner, Copilot is here to help you work smarter, not harder. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to RETHEW Tech for more tech reviews and insights. Let us know in the comments how you plan to use Microsoft Copilot to boost your productivity. Until next time, stay tech savvy.